So here we have someone with mid-length hair. And bam, she's decided to get this beautiful bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we once again have someone who cut their hair into a lob, followed by someone doing the buzz cut trend. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 29 long to short hair transformations. So if you are thinking of making a major hair change this season, we hope that this video does inspire you to cut your strands and go with a brand new look. If you do feel inspired by any of these haircut ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who big chopped into this gorgeous lob. Followed with somebody who has long hair versus this beautiful bob haircut. Wow. Then we have another lob transformation. Followed by yet another lob. Beautiful shaven cut. Wow. So she's decided to rock the shaven trend. And then we have a gorgeous mid-length haircut transformation, followed by someone else who has decided to do a buzz cut. This is actually such a huge trend right now. A lot of women are just embracing the buzz cut look. Wow, she looks insanely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Then we have someone who has a shoulder length style. The stylist did more of like a shorter, longer pixie. Beautiful long bangs in the front. Gorgeous transformation. We have another DIY haircut here. Beautiful lob haircuts. Wow, looks absolutely gorgeous when curled. Beautiful. And we have someone with long curly hair. And she decided to cut the hair mid-length. And then we have another lob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. And we got someone with curly hair once again. Wow. So she went platinum blonde and decided to buzz cut. Then we got a cute little mid-length cut. Followed by another lob. Then we got a nice tousled bob here. Very cute. And we got another cute lob. Another gorgeous lob haircut. Followed by a beautiful mid-length cut. Her hair looks so shiny and healthy. Then we have another lob, loving the bangs that were added. Followed by a blunt lob cut. I think so far the most popular cut within today's video was definitely a lob or a bob. But the lob seemed to reign king with this one. So let me know in the comments below which hair transformation was your personal favorite. If you felt inspired by any of these haircut ideas, don't forget to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, I will see you in the next video.